Well, hey there. Okay, I am gonna try and get to muscle this rototiller out of here. It's a bit wet, but who cares? Sorry for the noise alert. Hey, I found some wheels. Didn't know we had them. Okay. Scene change. Yeah. All right. Sorry for the heavy breathing. I'm overweight, so please excuse it. That's just the way I am. Right, next project, getting another motor. All right, let's try and get this motor off, shall we? I'm just gonna tip it on its back. Try and get the motor off. Wow. All right. I'm guessing, what, 13? gonna get something to try not get so wet. Yeah. Finally. Ta-da! Son, as we say in Norwegian. Engine freed. All right, now to the moving. This time I'm going to try and get a little better at video angles and whatnot, because the video of me taking off the engine was, I won't say a complete failure, but it was darn close. So I'm going to try and do it a little bit better while taking off this pulley. At least the engine spins over, that's nice. Okay, I need a puller, and luckily I have one handy. And I'm gonna try and do this slow. Right, all lubed up, sprayed a ton of solvent on it, maybe that will do the trick. Whew. Okay, let's see if we can get the other engine off there and the pulley off that, mounted that to that shaft, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm trying this time without a lava mic. I'm just trying the onboard camera mic and see how that's, if it's picking up. I'm sorry if there's a bit of wind noise, there's a bit of wind there today. I'm going to try and get this off. It was a pain to get on. I can remember from last year. That was one. Sorry if I'm in the way. As you can see, I'm not quite used to filming. Well, I'm used to filming, I'm just not used to ow. I need it shorter. I can use my fingers, I think, maybe. 2 off. 2 remaining. Well, you get the idea. I'm just going to turn the camera off. Try and yank this off. I'm gonna need a puller again. Whew. Finally got it loose. Okay, so we have an issue. The 8-horse Briggs from the lawn tractor has a 1-inch shaft, 25mm, with a key. The pulley, which is stepped both on the wheel and the inside, is for a 22-ish millimeter shaft on the engine, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I might try and get or modify the shaft for that 2-ish millimeters and take them off evenly, but that's not ideal, and I'm gonna try it first and get a new pulley that fits. But that's a pain to get here in Norway. I have searched and searched the web. The only thing I can think of is find a scrapyard that takes in lawn tractors and garden equipment and see if I can find something there. That's the only thing. Or I'm just gonna have to change the entire motor and not use this. So I'm gonna call this part 1, and part 2 will be after I've either found a pulley or a new engine. So, thanks for tuning in, guys. This will be the first of many videos this season, I hope. And let's have some fun.